What's up, guys? Overzealous Brainiac here, and welcome to Honda Shadow Bike Build Part 1. If you guys haven't done it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and send these videos to your friends, because it's going to be a different little series that I do where, I go around and build on my bike. If you guys haven't checked it out, check out the previous video. It's where we purchased the Honda Shadow, and check out all the little shenanigans we get into in there. Now this video is going to entail a lot of different things, and hopefully we'll get this bike started. And basically what we did is order the parts. Shout out to TJBrutal. His carb rebuild kit is supreme, real talk. And we ordered that and rebuilt the carb, and hopefully we get this baby started. While we're at it, we're gonna knock out some of the other things, and we gotta, keep taking this bike through the ringer to see what else is wrong with it, and get it up to perfect running condition for the year. So, oh hey, look at that guy. Oh hey, look at that guy. These two sexy guys in this little Miata here, heading down south. Oh yeah, look at that hair. Look at that hair on that man. It's beautiful, beautiful. Wow, look at that hair on that man. Beautiful. Oh, wow, yeah. But yeah. I want you guys to really enjoy this. Did something a little different with the intro, just to save face for copyright reasons. But enjoy this vid. Like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and send everything to your friends. And thanks for all the love, man. For sure. This is a little different series from what I usually do. But yeah, enjoy it. It's gonna be a blast. Alright, so got that carb out of there, baby. That's out of there. Finally got the heat wraps off of the exhaust. We'll probably wrap the exhaust, keep it like this. And yeah. Alright, so we did the oil. Did all that. We did all that on the phone with Nick. That's how both of these videos. So like when we tried to start up yesterday too. So if you see the first video, you're like, oh, these boys tried to start up. Yes, because we did most of that shit with Nick on the phone. Today though, we'll see. I'm gonna make sure we get camera footage of us actually trying to start it and things like that. But yeah, she's bare bones down. And yeah, we'll try to, like I said, no coolant in it. Yeah, that's what the man said. Yeah, nothing in there. Shit. So yeah, we're gonna get this bitch going. Yeah, you gotta log it now a little bit. So Chris rebuilt the carb. Lost the section. Put that on hopefully today. It should run. And then later on, well, if we get her turned on, I'll wrap the tanks and then maybe right away. Because we still gotta pump up these tires. These tires. Yeah. Alright. So, carb's in there finally. Tighten out some other parts. Put these velocity sacks in there. These babies are nice. But yeah, she's coming together. Almost there. Do you think I need to tighten this more? I don't know. I don't know this force. Velocity sacks, carb, dude. Everything should be perfect.
Don't give a guess. We're gonna wrap these. We're gonna wrap things off, and I think we're good. We're gonna pump the tires too. We're good to ride, baby. She is good now. Sounding crazy. That's what I like. Riding on the shadow, baby. She's all good to go. Yes, yes.
And yeah, man, she's looking great. She's not as loud as we thought, but hey, that's fine. That's fine. As long as she's running, we can get going. So next will be handlebars, headlight, take that front fender off, and then tank and seats, and then rear. We'll see with the rear with the seat, because that's gonna determine how we do the rear when we put that seat in.
3 years, man. They said it was 3 years. It was just sitting there. We finally got it going. We're gonna ride it a little bit later. We gotta get these tires pumped, so we're gonna go and get some compressed air into it. Messing with the carb now. Your boy's happy right now. Feeling good, feeling good. But I know you guys here. I know you guys here. Yeah, boy, we out here now. We're gonna wrap these. We're gonna wrap things off, and I think we're good. We're gonna pump the tires too. We're good to ride, baby. She is good now. Sounding crazy. So everything's good. Side cover's back on. We're gonna pump the tires up, see if we have any tire problems, rate problems, clutch problems. Wrapped it. Just got done wrapping it. So my baby's looking nice. Sorry, is that side cover on? Looking good. We get a new tank. That'll help that fuel problem. So I'm not sitting on my actual fuel line or getting any of that on my pants. Nice. Like I said, it's been, I haven't rode a bike since his Kawasaki, I think. That was probably the last bike I rode. Man, with these, yep. Next test. A lot better than me. I gotta really practice that first gear clutch. It's been a minute though. It's been a long time since I've ridden a bike. But yeah, it was fun. Just a little bit more learning, and we got that baby.